Did you know that the way food is cooked can completely change its flavor, texture, and even nutrition? The same potato can be crispy, creamy, soft, or smoky, depending on how it is cooked.
In this video, we will explore the most important cooking methods every chef should know. From sautéing to roasting, these are essential skills.
Let's discover how heat transforms simple ingredients into delicious food.
Steaming is a gentle cooking method that preserves nutrients. Let's check. A quick ping tells me it's ready. And we lift the lid. Each method uses a different type of heat, such as water, steam, oil, or dry hot air. Boiling tenderizes and infuses flavors, keeps nutrients and bright colors. Grilling creates smoky aroma and char. Understanding cooking methods is one of the most important skills in the culinary world.
Boiling is one of the oldest and simplest cooking methods.
However, if food is boiled too long, some nutrients may be lost in the water. See how the color leaches out? That's the nutrients escaping. This method softens food and makes it easier to digest. The steam breaks down fibers, making it more tender. It's a key technique.
Steaming cooks food using hot steam instead of water. The hot vapor cooks the food gently, preserving its nutrients and texture. The rising steam cooks the food gently and evenly.
Steaming helps food retain nutrients, color, and natural flavor.
Frying uses hot oil or fat to cook food quickly.
There are two main types, shallow frying and deep frying. Deep shallow frying submerges food for fast, even cooking.
Shallow frying uses a small amount of oil in a pan.
Completely submerge the food in hot oil. The intense bubbling cooks it evenly, creating a crispy texture. This method creates a crispy golden texture and rich flavor. The key is hot oil and a quick flip.
Foods like fried chicken and French fries are classic examples of frying.
Grilling cooks food using direct heat from below. This heat usually comes from charcoal, gas, or open flames.
Grilling cooks food quickly while adding a smoky flavor. See, flipping them gives a perfect sear. Smell that smoke? That's the flavor.
The intense heat creates the famous grill marks on meat and vegetables. It's the signature of great grilling.
Grilling is commonly used for steaks, burgers, kebabs, and seafood.
Roasting uses dry heat inside an oven to cook food. Hot air circulates around the food, cooking it evenly.
Roasting is perfect for large cuts of meat, chicken, and vegetables. It creates such a delicious caramelized flavor.
This method creates a crispy outside while keeping the inside juicy and tender. Roasting also develops rich flavors through caramelization. Baking is similar to roasting, but is mostly used for bread, cakes, and pastries.
Heat from the oven causes ingredients to rise and set.
This porous structure is created by gases released during baking, giving bread and cakes their soft, light texture.
Baking requires precise measurements and temperatures. Exact amounts and heat ensure perfect results.
That's why baking is often called a science in the kitchen.
Sautéing cooks food quickly using a small amount of oil over high heat. Keep everything moving for even cooking. A quick toss helps mix the flavors. Almost ready. This method works best for small pieces of food like vegetables, shrimp, and sliced meat. Stir fry to keep everything tender. Sautéing keeps food flavorful, fresh, and lightly crisp. Heat transforms food. This steak develops a crust as the Maillard reaction creates new flavors. The process continues. Each cooking method creates unique flavors, textures, and aromas. Grilling adds a smoky char, roasting caramel. By understanding these techniques, anyone can improve their cooking skills.
Cooking is not just about ingredients. It's about the care, the craft, and the transformation.
So the next time you cook, try a new method and explore the amazing world of culinary techniques.